Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I'm going to do a little, just work along with me, talk you through what my plan is for the little bit of paper that I have left from this Carta HomeRun collection and stickers here. I've used this and this. I have a couple of cut-aparts left. Here's the package of what I have left. These are my scraps right here. And what I did is I pulled out a piece of my colors cardstock, and then some of the pieces that I had, and a piece of artisan. So I used a piece of artisan here. And then I went ahead and just glued the strips on to that sheet just to create kind of like a collage. Put one of the stickers here. And now I have this to decorate on my 12 by 12 layout that I'm looking to make. So I was just putting together some thoughts here. I think I'm going to go for a geometric shape to this. So I want to first let you know what I'm using here. This is the My Colors cardstock, like I said, and this is called Sunshine. And for my 12 by 12s, I always like to just take a hair off of the side and off of the top and bottom. So I'm going to do that real quick. For me, it just makes it fit into my 12 by 12 books a lot better, to be able to slide them in and out, because I like to do that. And then I went ahead and picked out some black cardstock from my stash, and I want to try to offset this, I'm thinking, so that I can do something like this. Like I said, very geometric is what I'm going for here. So I plan on centering that and putting it down. Then I'm thinking this is one of the cut aparts that I had, so I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and layer that on some black cardstock as well. So I'm just holding it down on top of the black cardstock to where I think I want to cut it off. And then I'm going to hold this down. And just like that. I have these ready, and I'm going to be, let's see, pulling this down a little bit. I might need to just trim that off just a hair more. I think I only want a very small border. Instead, yeah, I think that's better. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this like that. And then I'm thinking I want to have some red down here with the baseball stripes. So I think I'm gonna end up layering this up, just a little square of it. So I'm going to overlap this. I don't want any of the horizontal pieces lining with any of the horizontal pieces from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my little pencil here, and I'm going to make a mark on each one of these pieces. Do I want this to hang off, or do I want it to be short? I think I want it to be short. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do that there, and there, and there. So I'm gonna cut each of these down. I have my little pencil mark that's gonna tell me where to cut. There's that one. This is a red My Colors cardstock. I think this was firecracker, something like that. Just turn this real quick. Might have got off on that one a little bit, but that's okay. And then I want to get my black. Go ahead and cut this off. And that's going to layer just like that. Move these out of the way. Something like this. I'm not really sure if that's the way I want it or not. Why I'm not sure is because I was thinking I was going to have this stripe down here, but since I have the stripe, I might do away with that. Do I want that? Nope, I don't know if I want that. Okay, then I want some space for an actual photograph. So I'm thinking I might want to offset this a little bit more. I'm trying to hold these together, bring it down. Just gonna stay there. I think I want a space up here for a photograph. And then I need a title down at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another little mark there. Cut this off. Now I have that. And I need a little mat. That was the mat. So I'm going to use this white artisan. Make a little notch there and there. And give this a trim. Okay. Here's my white artisan right there. And that's where I'm going to be placing my photo. I have a little bit of white here, white, and then a couple of white spots throughout. Here, I have the red that's in a couple different areas, and I think the only thing left is for the title down at the bottom. So what are we going to use for a title? What are we going to use for a title? Let's see. Are we just going to use play ball? I don't think it will fit. Should we scoot it over? Is that too close? I'm trying to maintain the same distance on this side as this side. Same distance underneath here as above here. You just can't see that, so why am I working like this? What else? Maybe I just need something round. I think I like this popping off the page. Maybe tucking behind. No, it looks kind of funny, huh? It might just go there. Like that. I feel like I need something here, something here. Let's see, from the sticker collection. Maybe I'm going to have it stick up like this. I'm not going to press that down. I'm just going to let it overlap. I'm looking at these and seeing what do I like. Oh, I like the baseballs here. So maybe I want those going down the page like that. Fourth one. I don't like the even numbers, so I'm gonna pick one of these as well. Oh, why is that smaller? It's smaller. Can I leave that one? Maybe I will go with 4. We need something down here. Maybe I just need HomeRun. Down here, that might work. Let me get my ink. I'm using some distress ink on this. I'm not gonna press it. Just gonna place it there. And then I'm thinking the smaller baseballs maybe on either side. Same distance apart from HomeRun. And that's my title. So I get one picture. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. Hope you enjoy this and gives you something to work from. I'm going to use my art glitter glue and just start attaching all these layers. So, very quick glow project, but I think it's fun. Right? Using your scraps. Trying to find different ways to put it all together. Let's see. Do this one. Place it on the black. I want to make sure that this, I'm just going to get a scrap of paper, overlap that, make sure to overlap it enough. Overlap that onto the sticker so that the portion that is overlapping where the picture is going to go isn't sticking to my photo. So at least that way, now this is no longer sticky. Tamara showed in a video a little powder tool from EK Success that she now has in the shop at Country Craft Creations. So you may want to check that out. It's if you dab a little bit of powder on the back side of that sticky piece, then you can use it almost like an ephemera piece instead. But I want to make sure that I only have part of the sticky off. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. Maybe I want numbers or something. Maybe that's what I want. What is this on my page? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and place a little glue on the back side of this portion. Overlap that just slightly. That'll work. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on this side. Straighten it back up. Back side of that. this is a little bit wider. I'm going to trim that off. I want it to be about the same as this other side, so I'm just going to trim off the hair. So enough. I want a little bit more. Yep, I think that's good. Okay. This is going to go here, kind of in the middle. No. Towards the top a little bit more. Just like that. And then this is going to go here. Right? Yep. Do you all talk to yourself when you're putting together your pages? Maybe I want it a little bit. What about the yellow? Oh no, I put it upside down. Oh no, good thing I didn't glue it down. Were you yelling at me? Hey, you put it upside down. Oh gosh, I'm glad I didn't glue that down yet. Now I need this over a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Just put it on the top. Half right there. Again, I'm trying to maintain the same distance underneath as I have on the top, and the same on the right hand side that I have on the left. So now I'm gonna just gently pick this up and put some glue underneath. Where my, oh, here's my bone folder. I think I need to glue down this corner. Okay. Just like that, you have a spot for your photo to tuck behind, just like that. And we use some of our scraps. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and check out all the rest of the projects that I've made with this collection and many, many more that are available at countrycraftcreations.com. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.